This AI image generator is unlimited free, and you don't even need to sign up. And in this AI tool, you can use characters like Doraemon, Pikachu, and many more. So today I'm going to share with you the 3 best AI image generators of 2025, and the last one is completely free. And also introduce an exceptional AI tool of image generation as a bonus in the end. Subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. So the first AI tool in our list is named MixArt AI. You can see this interface, you can see a prompt box where you can input your image prompt, and you get different styles like photorealism, anime, and more. You can see a lot of models are available for different kinds of images, which is really awesome. Here you get the advanced option, where you see different features like prompt, image, pose, resolution, and parameters to make your image more detailed and correct in form. And here you can find many pre-generated prompts for various images. So let's create an image. So I give the prompt here, a woman with baby pink hair eating ice cream on a sunny day street side. Now choose your aspect ratio. Here you can upload an image as a reference, which is cool. And different parts are here. You can distinctly choose characters, face lock. Select the number of images. Let's hit generate. It's just outstanding. Look at how detailed and clear the image is. I love that. If you like this video, hit the like button. Let's try another prompt. So I give a prompt. A woman wearing a black outfit and sunglasses and walking in a Tokyo street at night. Now generate it. This is amazing. You can observe the accuracy and detailing of the image. Must explore this AI tool. Now let's step to our next AI tool, which is named OpenArt AI. Search it in Google, click on the first website. Now you can see this interface. Sign up with a Google account. This AI tool provides a bunch of features like image to video, AI model, image upscale, and more. You can create characters with simple prompts or images. You get some amazing characters here, like Pikachu, Baby Yoda, Doraemon, and more. So first, let's create an image and see how it performs. So click on Create Image. And you come to a user-friendly dashboard. Here you can choose 100+ styles. And here you get various models for image generation, like Flux Pro, Flux Realism, Anime, and more. I created some images previously that are outstanding. Now I give a prompt here. A man in a formal suit speaking in a public seminar. Here you can use Prompt Optimizer, which enhances your prompt. You can give the seed number. Select the number of images. Now hit generate. How realistic it is, just wonderful. Now I want to make it a close-up shot. So I modify the prompt and let's see. Wow, it looks so natural. Nobody's going to believe it as an AI-generated image. So I hope you like it. Let's see our next and last AI tool, which can create unlimited images with no sign-up. This AI tool's name is Raphael AI. Click on this website. Now you can see this. Create unlimited AI-generated images online instantly, 100% free, no sign-up. And here you see the prompt box. So I give the prompt here, a woman wearing a white top and holding coffee on the street side on a sunny day. Choose an image aspect ratio. Click on this. Now hit generate. Look at how natural and realistic the image it created is. Let's see another one. An anime boy and girl looking at each other. Hit generate. So the image is decent and useful. Must explore these websites. I will give the link in the description. And the bonus AI tool is Shaker AI. This is one of the best AI image generators that have huge models and styles for images. You can see that interface, which is incredible. I already made a tutorial on this AI tool. The link is in the description. If you get value from this video, like and subscribe to this channel for AI updates.